If your cat sneezes, is it just catching a cold? Or planning world domination? Let's sniff out the truth. Cats sneeze for a bunch of reasons, just like us. Sometimes, it's cat fur or dust tickling their tiny noses. Or maybe they sniff something super smelly. Achoo! But don't worry, 1 or 2 sneezes are usually no big deal. But if your kitty keeps sneezing, has watery eyes, or acts lazy, it could be a catty cold or allergies. Time to call the vet! Fun fact, some cats sneeze when they're excited, like at treat time. Now that's what I call sneeze with cheese. So next time your cat lets out a little achoo, just remember, sometimes it's just their way of keeping things positively fresh. Stay curious, cat people.